It's a quick tutorial on how to make your cover buttons. For your cover buttons, you need the dies size. Okay, this dies is size 36. It comes in different sizes, and this is just a unique type as well. Usually there is something like this, and you have a little cover for it. Okay, then you need your cover buttons. Okay, this is also size 36, which will fit into this size 36 dies as well. You also be needing your rivet machine for that. Okay, this is just more cover buttons. And you also be needing your fabric of choice you should be using to cover up this. So firstly, before I do this, I'm going to be taking off this two part because this one is for my eyelet machine. So I'll just carefully lose this out and take them out because I won't be needing it for the cover buttons. This is for my eyelet machine. Okay, I'll also be losing this part too as well out. If you don't lose this out, you won't be able to. So this is where it's meant to be, so you can work with it for anything you want. Just something that can cover up the cover buttons. So I'll be placing this way. Just try and cut enough, but at the same time don't make it too bulky. Now this is small because of the quantity I cut, so it's really small for it. So I'll just go ahead and make my cover buttons, trying to make sure that it is well enclosed inside. Then I'll be taking this part to cover it up. Okay, so you can either place it this way or just place it inside this place. So make sure it is well covered before using this on it, so that I'm just going to press it down to secure it. So this part will be going inwards, this part here, so like this. I want to place it this way, and you'll be using this part to cover it. This part, you can see it has a round part, so just place it like that. Then to key it, you're putting it into, make it to sit perfectly well. So once it's sitting perfectly well, just press it down. So I'll just do this many times you want, just secure it properly. Then when you take it out, you see what it looks like. This way what you should have once you're done. So I'll make one more. Take your fabric, your cover button, cut a piece that can cover up and that can be secured and at the same time not too bulky. So pick your little piece of fabric, take the part that will be going in, make sure it is the right side. The wrong side is where you are placing this part. Okay, and just make it all around. And you cover it up and just make it your hand to just secure it first. Okay, and place this part into this one that has this screw, like so. And use this part that has, cover it up like this, and you're placing it inwards. Okay, so in case you're wondering what is pressing it down, when you look inside the rivet machine, it looks empty, but by the time you press it, this part coming out is what is helping it to secure it perfectly. Okay, so I have my cover buttons and it cannot come out. So this is how to create your cover buttons. Create as many as you want. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, a thumbs up.